Welcome to physics class. Today we are going to perform another interesting and strange phenomena that will blow your mind. Let's start. The lemon is sinking. Strange. The lemon is floating. Try one more. Sinking. It's floating. Let's put it into a third one. It's sinking. What can we do to rise the lemon without touching our hand? For a while you should think. Let's add a spoon full of salt. Not enough. Add one more. It's rising. Why a lemon sink in a pure water but float in a salt solution? Stay with us, and next section we have to know the scientific knowledge behind this phenomena step by step. Why does a lemon sink in a pure water but floats in a salt solution? The key scientific concept behind this is density. Density is a measure of how much mass is packed into a certain volume. The formula of density is given by rho is equal to mass divided by volume. Since the volume of liquid here is almost constant, so the density is proportional to mass. An increase in mass leads an increase in density. But how the mass of a salt solution increases? Let's try to understand this. If we zoom in and observe lemon, water, and salt solution at molecular scale, you will realize that the density of lemon is greater than the density of water. That is why a lemon sinks in a pure water. The density of salt solution is greater than the density than pure water. That is why a lemon floats in a pure water.